What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Add Page Numbers in Word. Hey guys, today we'll be guiding you through how you can add page numbers in Microsoft Word. Now let's start. Open Microsoft Word, begin on any page in your document, select Insert, and then Page Number. Now choose the desired location and style. If you don't want a page number to be displayed on the first page, click on Different First Page. If you want to see the second page's numbering to begin with 1, click on Page Number, and then select Format Page Number. Start at 0, and when you're finished, simply select Close Header and Footer. And then there, you can see the page numbers already. And once you're done with your documents and all, you can just click Save, and that's it. That's how easy you can add page numbers in Microsoft Word. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.